Let's talk about the roles of blood. Blood is the fluid that circulates in the blood vessels to carry oxygen, nutrients, and body chemicals to the cells and to take waste products away for excretion. The blood is also a vital part of our immune system, which defends the body against disease. Blood consists of a liquid called plasma together with blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to body cells. White blood cells fight infection. Platelets are cell fragments that form clots to seal wounds. Plasma carries water, hormones, nutrients, and other chemicals to body tissues and removes waste. It also carries vital proteins such as immunoglobulins or antibodies that protect the body from infections. Red blood cells contain a red pigment called hemoglobin, which picks up oxygen in the lungs and releases it in the body cells. The many types of white blood cells, including phagocytes and lymphocytes, B cells and T cells, fight infection and remove harmful substances. The plasma carries antibodies, hormones, and other body chemicals, salts and minerals, and water to body tissues. It also removes waste and excess water. Blood makes up 7 to 8% of our total body weight. The immune system. White blood cells defend the body against pathogens, bacteria, viruses, or other microorganisms, toxins, and cancer cells. There are several types. Phagocytes kill and ingest infectious organisms and dead cells. B cells produce antibodies to stick to targets and mark them for destruction by other white blood cells. T cells destroy infected and cancerous cells. After an infection, some T and B cells remember the invading organism in case of another attack. In some disorders, however, the immune system overreacts, as in allergens, where it attacks harmless foreign substances, or autoimmune disorders, in which it attacks normal body tissues. Conversely, in immunodeficiency disorders such as AIDS, the system fails to protect the body. So the neutrophils are the most common type of white blood cell, ingest pathogens and damage tissue. B lymphocytes or B cells release antibodies into the plasma. Some B cells recognize pathogens if they re-enter the body. Blood reaches all of the body cells. So tests on blood can give a lot of information about the body. Blood cells and plasma may be tested to assess how well the blood itself is functioning. Tests on plasma can reveal levels of substances such as glucose and cholesterol and chemicals produced by the kidneys and the liver. Tests on white blood cells and immunoglobulins can reveal problems with the immune system. When a blood vessel is torn, platelets clump around the injury. The platelets and damaged tissues release chemicals that react with proteins in the plasma called clotting factors, causing a mesh of sticky material called fibrin to form and trap blood cells, creating a clot. Some blood tests measure platelets and clotting factors to detect whether the blood is clotting properly. Thank you for your attention.